off, do we Memphians sound like I just don't come?
Original.
That's jackfruit. This one's that I was telling you about.
I like your vibe. Don't get me started. I know you want me.
Good morning. How y'all doing? So proud of myself. I got up this morning to actually make it to this 8 o'clock yoga class. Like, I've been trying to go to the yoga class for like 3 weeks. But either like I'll just roll back over, I'll make some other plans, or I just don't come. But this morning I hopped out that bed at 6:40, had a coffee, got in the car, driving to yoga, got caught by the train. How do y'all spend y'all Saturday mornings? Do y'all usually like sleep in? Do y'all work on Saturdays? Do y'all get to go to an early exercise class in the morning on Saturdays? Tell me, I want to know. I'm nosy. So after yoga class, I'm gonna return these books. I read Business of Love by Jerome Dickey. I got this last maybe 2 weeks ago. This was good. This was a classic Jerome Dickey book. Big words, talked about race, talked about relationship, men, women, the way they see things, good writing, great book. This book that's set in Memphis, like I was excited about, but I couldn't make it through the first chapter. First off, do we Memphians sound like this? Like, I'm Southern. Like, I drop words, I mispronounce words, I don't enunciate words. Like, I'm country, okay? Baby, the way this book made it sound, like he a professor, like the main character from Memphis is a professor in Memphis. He just sound like Lil Uzi Vert or Kodak Black or something. I'm like, I'm offended. If I sound like this, I am very offended. So I'm just like, I can't make it through this. And I think the other thing is he used like a lot of slang terminology. This book was written in 2019. I don't really use like really hip words. See, look, hip words. I don't know. Whatever he was using in this book, I don't use it. So I got cut off because I had to start driving. I just don't feel like us Southerners talk like this. And then the love interest in the book is like British and she's from England, and so like they're trying to do her accent versus with him flowing in and out of like professor code switching to him talking like a rapper who don't use complete sentences and words that I don't even hear in everyday life in Memphis. And last update, these are the nails 1 week later. Like, they lifted a little bit, but not like my hand is ashy. It's early. I think that nail dehydrator and primer was worth, I think it was only like less than $10.
My baby. Gently, me loving it. She giving me steadily. Moving it gently. I like how you giving me steadily. Wind up your body, girl, no matter. No pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a muggy. You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat.
Exhale, tuck your chin into your chest, curve your spine, press your shoulders to the sky.
Hold me, baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently.
We've been off the run schedule this week, kind of like always. Well, that's a lie. We be on the run schedule sometime. Well, a lot of the time, but this week and last week, just schedule-wise, like with work and everything else, we haven't been running. Today, instead of just skipping the run altogether, we're gonna just do a 3-mile run and call that a win for this week. It's good just to get out here and just get in the groove of running after being off for like a week. But I think we waited a little too late. Earlier, like the sun was out when I went to yoga, but then I just felt the raindrop. It's like 53 degrees.
Yeah, but they gonna need unless you gonna die in your sleep. What you wanna do?
Welcome to McDonald's.
Yes ma'am, may I have a large Diet Coke with no ice?
That's it.
That's it.
Baby was telling me that McDonald's has the best Diet Coke because they do something special. What's something special they do to make their Diet Coke better? I usually get my Diet Cokes from Sonic. I like fountain drinks. I don't like canned sodas or bottled drinks. It tastes better out of the fountain, but apparently McDonald's has the best Diet Coke.
McDonald's has the best soft drinks.
Why is that?
Because their soft drinks are shipped in metal containers and everybody else's are shipped in plastics. The shelf life of the syrups
is better at McDonald's, so it makes the drinks better.
We gonna see.
Sprite is the one that you could really taste the difference.
Oh,
in.
Sprite was my favorite drink when I drank soft drinks. It just make you go, ah.
That's because it's fresh.
Because
and
it's
the
fresh.
Carbonation with the
I wonder why it's a difference between metal and plastic though.
plastic absorbs. It can absorb, and then it kind of takes away from some of those sugars. Those sugars can't be absorbed into metal. None of those things can be absorbed into metal.
I feel like we should have got a Sunday drink too so I can drink them at the same time. Really, I just want 2 large Diet Cokes. Yeah, got you. Okay, it is more fizzy. It's sweeter too. I don't know, I think I still like Sunday because I'm used to it, but it's definitely more fizzy. You want something? What kind of juice you gonna get from the gas station then?
Diet Mountain Dew.
10 out of 10.
I told you.
It is good. You did tell me.
Lego. It's the original.
These are the jackfruit wings. Let me turn this down. These are jackfruit wings that had me like on a hunt to make a jackfruit wing recipe, but mine didn't turn out right. But when I tell you, oh my god, if you could smell them, they're hot wings. I should have got seasoned. I didn't tell her what I wanted, so I just got buffalo. But don't they almost kind of look like wings? And then you break it open. What else I get? I'll just show y'all when I get home. That is a gordita, and the meat for it is actually jackfruit. Look how good they look. They look just like pulled meat. And then this is the wings that's jackfruit, and these are the ones that I was telling you about, like that I really wanted to try to recreate, or something kind of like this. Mine's turned out. Look at this. And if y'all watch like the vlog from 2 Wednesdays ago, it looks nothing like this. Look at that. And then this is a Big Mama burger, jackfruit meat, vegan cheese, fries. I think this is like oyster mushrooms fried. And they would be more crispy, but we roll home with the thing close. So of course they're not as crispy. Eat some of this good vegan food.
Original Batman. Oh.
It's V-Kills.
Gucci on the Prada, send me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad.